In this chapter, we provide you the expert rules on how to kickstart your own solo ads business. There are 3 major rules to be a solo ads broker. 1. You need to build your own list. 2. Be selective in renting out your list. 3. Track the progress of the solo ads. The first expert rule is to start building your own list. This is important as you can never start your solo ads broker journey without having a list. Usually, a solo ads broker must have a large list which can sell to your clients so you can deliver the maximum amount of clicks. There are various ways to start creating your own list, but I will list down the 3 most effective methods, which are 1. Creating a call to action on your website. Your website can be your traffic generator if you know how to use it to its maximum potential. You can allow them to sign up for a newsletter on the sidebar or footer, or you can even have a pop-up when they visit the page to ask them to sign up. 2. Using social media to drive traffic. Social media is not only an important marketing tool and lead magnet, but it also serves as a traffic generator. People click links that direct them to a website or your content, and from there you can ask them to sign up for your newsletter or mailing list. This can be done through Facebook ads, Twitter ads, and other social media platforms. 3. Hosting a webinar. A free webinar is all that it takes to expand your list. You can provide valuable content related to your niche via the webinars. Provide them the materials for the webinar by asking them for their email. This way, you can begin sending your materials and newsletters within that list. The second step is to be selective in renting out your list. There are many cases where solo ad brokers sell the list that they have built to clients who market anything and everything. This is done for the sake of having your list rented out, but it will not sustain your business in the long term. Why? This will inevitably give you and your buyer a bad reputation. For instance, if you have built a list focusing on the personal development niche and you advertise internet marketing materials, this will confuse your subscribers and some of them may consider it as spam. It's also possible that you may lose some of the people in the list as they feel misguided by the information disseminated. Therefore, it's important for you to be selective and calculative in choosing your clients to rent out your list to. Always stay true to why the audience opted into your list. The third and final rule is to track the progress of the list you have sold, which is the number of clicks. This step is important so you have an idea of how much you are able to deliver to your clients. The number of clicks also tells you how well your ad performs and to ensure that you get value for money. Remember that numbers do not lie. So track your clicks. You can use the WordPress plugin called Pretty Link, where it has both paid and free versions. You are able to create short links using your domain name where it has all the tracking required. But make sure you possess a WordPress account beforehand. You can also use ClickMagick, where the system makes it extremely easy for you to track your data or number of clicks. ClickMagick will offer you information such as your traffic score and which tier did you obtain the traffic from. You are now set to kickstart your solo ads broker journey. We have come to the 5th chapter of the Solo Ads series. In this chapter, you learn how to scale your solo ads business to keep it going. The solo ads broker business is highly dependent not only on the quality of the list, but also word of mouth. Your business has a very low chance of gaining frequent and loyal clients if you have poor results or low opt-ins percentage. There are 2 major ways for you to scale your solo ads broker business to ensure maximum performance each time around. 1. Maintaining and cultivating your list. 2. Provide testimonials and feedback of your performance. The first step is to maintain and cultivate your list. There are 2 effective methods to execute this. 1. Create valuable email content. Your content must offer incredible value if you want your subscribers to stay subscribed and forward your email to their family or friends that are not on the list. 2. Create multiple email subscription types. By segregating your email subscription types, you can be more focused by sending more targeted content to a very specific audience. The people in your list are more likely to click through emails that are specifically for them. always bear in mind that you need to stay true to why people in your list opted in. Do not mislead them. The second step in scaling your solo ads business is to provide testimonials and feedback of your performance. As mentioned in the previous chapters, you can search for solo ad brokers and the list that they sell by joining Facebook groups. In these Facebook groups, you're able to view a wide range of testimonials from solo ad vendors, which consist of how did they build their list, how many clicks were ordered, how many clicks delivered, the opt-in percentage, Tier 1 percentage, how many sales accumulated. By providing testimonials and feedback of your solo ads performance, you can build your credibility and advertise your business to your prospects. You can also ask for feedback from your previous clients. In this final chapter, you are able to understand the advantages as well as the disadvantages of venturing as a solo ads broker. This helps you to consider and weigh your options so you can minimize your loss and maximize your return on investment. Let's discuss the pros. First, you are able to gain massive profit in very little time. When you have mastered the art of selling solo ads, especially in a targeted niche, there is certainly a huge potential in accumulating massive profit, especially if you have a set of fresh subscribers each round and loyal clients. The second advantage is you're able to grow your list of subscribers almost instantly. This saves you a lot of time as you do not have to go through the daunting route of having to build your own list from scratch, as well as searching for potential prospects. You get double the profit as you're able to expand your list, at the same time gain massive profits. Third, being a solo ads broker enables you to make your own sales. You have a huge advantage and you can make double the profit by selling your clients solo ads and to advertise your own product as well through your list. Very minimal effort, but you are paid a boatload of commissions. Having listed the advantages of selling solo ads, it's imperative to also look at the drawbacks. First, it may cost a lot for you to try, especially if you're new to the solo ads business. Startup costs can be quite costly due to mentoring requirements and the knowledge needed on solo ads. It will require some time for you before you can get accustomed to the business. My advice is to work within your budget, as sometimes it'll cost you more than you could afford. Start small and scale small in building your list, then go bigger along the way. One of the reasons why it's better for you to start small and scale small, especially if you're new to the business, is because there's absolutely no guarantee that the list you created will convert. This is the second drawback. Usually sign-up rates coming from solo ads are pretty high. However, how many of those clicks convert into subscribers, sales, and long-term buyers? Therefore, start small, scale small, and go bigger as you go.